The first indication of the revolutionary movement in India was seen in A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Bengal, and the correct answer is Maharashtra. The first propounder of the doctrine of passive resistance was A. Aurobindo Ghosh, B. Bipin Paul, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the correct answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. The first tricolour flag was hoisted on A. the 26th of January 1950, B. the 15th of August 1947, C. the 31st of January 1928, D. the 31st of December 1929, and the correct answer is the 31st of December 1929. Which battle dashed the hopes of Duplex to establish an empire in India? A. Third Carnatic War, B. Battle of Plassey, C. First Carnatic War, D. Second Carnatic War, and the correct answer is Second Carnatic War. Voice of India was published from A. Madras, B. Delhi, C. Calcutta, D. Bombay, and the correct answer is Bombay. Who was the most famous Bengal journalist who championed the cause of indigo cultivators? A. Ishwar Chandra Gupta, B. Shivnath Sastry, C. Harish Mukherjee, D. Shishir Kumar Ghosh, and the correct answer is Harish Mukherjee. Explanation: Harish Chandra Mukherjee played a vital role during the Indigo Revolt. He supported the movement and criticized the government through his brilliant writing in Hindu Patriot. He was the editor of the Hindu Patriot during this time and died in 1861. The Indian tricolour was first hoisted in Germany in 1907 by A. Savarkar, B. Madanlal Bhimrao, C. Shemaji Krishnavarma, D. Madam Bhikhaji Rustomji Kama, and the correct answer is Madam Bhikhaji Rustomji Kama. The Mohammedan Literary Society was founded at the initiative of A. Abdul Latif, B. Alom Khan, C. Syed Amir Ol, D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and the correct answer is Abdul Latif. When was the India Independence Act passed? A. The 18th of July 1947, B. The 15th of August 1947, C. The 2nd of September 1946, D. The 3rd of June 1947, and the correct answer is the 18th of July 1947. Who was known as Kaka Saheb? A. G. H. Deshmukh, B. Nauroji Farunji, C. G. V. Joshi, D. M. G. Ranade, and the correct answer is G. V. Joshi. Who said, "If to love my country is a crime, I am a criminal"? A. Upendranath Ganguly, B. Ramabandhu Upadhyay, C. C.R. Das, D. Sri Aurobindo, and the correct answer is C.R. Das. When was the Corridor War in Writers' Building, Calcutta was fought? A. 1908, B. 1916, C. 1921, D. 1930, and the correct answer is 1930. When was the Congress Socialist Party formed? A. 1936, B. 1939, C. 1922, D. 1934, and the correct answer is 1934. When did British Labour Party resolve in favour of Home Rule for India? A. 1927, B. 1929, C. 1916, D. 1919, and the correct answer is 1916. The nationalist organization Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was established in the year A. 1890, B. 1900, C. 1870, D. 1885, and the correct answer is 1870. The Muslim League joined the interim government in A. December 1946, B. January 1947, C. October 1946, D. November 1946, and the correct answer is October 1946. Dikdarshan monthly was published by A. Shishir Kumar Ghosh, B. Dwaraknath Tagore, C. Marshman, D. Ram Mohan Roy, and the correct answer is Marshman. Hind Swaraj was written by Gandhi while A. Travelling from England to South Africa by ship, B. During Champaran Satyagraha, C. Travelling from England to India by ship, D. In Sabarmati Ashram, and the correct answer is Travelling from England to South Africa by ship. The first daily English newspaper was Indian Mirror. Who was the editor of this newspaper? A. Ram Mohan Roy, B. M. G. Ranade, C. Keshav Chandra Sen, D. Surendranath Datta, and the correct answer is Keshav Chandra Sen. Explanation: Debendranath Tagore has started the newspaper and later handed it over to Keshav Chandra Sen. In the Nehru Report Committee, 1928, the Liberal Federation was represented by A. V. S. Srinivasa Sastry, B. M. S. Ane, C. M. A. Jayakar, D. Tej Bahadur Sapru, and the correct answer is Tej Bahadur Sapru. When and under whom was the Indian National Army INA officially organized? A. Captain Mohan Singh at Singapore in 1942. B. Subhas Chandra Basu, 1943. C. Rasbihari Basu, 1942. D. None of the above, and the correct answer is Rasbihari Basu, 1942. When was the Azad Hind Fauj formed? A. The 11th of May 1941. B. The 1st of September 1942. C. The 1st of October 1939. D. The 10th of August 1940. And the correct answer is the 1st of September 1942. Who said let a flowers bloom? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. V.I. Lorraine. C. M.K. Gandhi. D. Mao Zedong. And the correct answer is Mao Zedong. Where in 1942 was The Swaraj Panchayat set up? A. Cuttack. B. Puri. C. Tamluk. D. Kante. And the correct answer is Cuttack. The Times of India was first published in A. 1862. B. 1858. C. 1875. D. 1861. And the correct answer is 1875. The first national news agency of India was A. The Hindustan Review. B. The Associated Press of India. C. The Indian Review. D. The Free Press of India. And the correct answer is the Free Press of India. One of the important Muslim leaders of the Swadeshi movement was A. Muhammad Aul. B. A.K. Azad. C. Liaquat Ali Khan. D. Liaquat Hussain. And the correct answer is A.K. Azad. Mahayatra is written by A. Madhusudan Rao. B. Lakshminath Bezbarua. C. Radhanath Ray. D. Fakir Mohan Senapati. And the correct answer is Radhanath Ray. We shall make the settled fact and settle. Who said this? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.G. Tilak. C. Lord Curzon. D. Surendranath Banerjee. And the correct answer is Surendranath Banerjee. The only Indian who was the President of the United Nations General Assembly. A. J. L. Nehru. B. Tej Bahadur Sapru. C. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. D. J. P. Narayan. And the correct answer is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Explanation. She was the only Indian who held this post until now. She was the first woman president of this assembly. She was the sister of J. L. Nehru. Who was the painter of the famous Bharat Mata? A. Nandlal Bose. B. Jamini Roy. C. Gagamendra Nath Tagore. D. Abanindra Nath Thakur. And the correct answer is Abanindra Nath Thakur. Who is called a traditional modernizer? A. B. G. Tilak. B. Swami Vivekanand. C. Vidyasagar. D. Ram Mohan Roy. And the correct answer is Vidyasagar. Which viceroy has been described as a brilliant failure? A. Lord Ripon. B. Lord Lytton. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Canning. And the correct answer is Lord Lytton. Which one of the following newspapers or journals was from Maharashtra? A. Sarathi. B. Sandhya. C. Kranti. D. Atmasakti. And the correct answer is Kranti. When did Lord Dalhousie annex Awadh? A. 1853 AD. B. 1856 AD. C. 1848 AD. D. 1857 AD. And the correct answer is 1856 AD. The leader who opposed the Quit India movement was A. Balraj Sahni. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. M. N. Roy. D. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. And the correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. The first political society started under British rule in India was A. Bengal Landholders Society, British Indian Association, 1852. B. Arya Samaj. C. Brahma Samaj. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is Bengal Landholders Society, British Indian Association, 1852. The Congress president who conducted negotiation with Cripps in 1942 and Wavell at the Simla conference was A. J. B. Kripalani. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Abul Kalam Azad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. And the correct answer is Abul Kalam Azad. The Arya Samaj at Bombay was founded in A. 1876. B. 1880. C. 1870. D. 1875. And the correct answer is 1875. In which year did the Congress ministry start functioning in the provinces? A. 1948. B. 1938. C. 1937. D. 1930. And the correct answer is 1937. Chicago Parliament of Religions was held in A. May 1893. B. May 1895. C. May 1891. D. May 1892. And the correct answer is May 1893. Indigo revolt was regularly highlighted in A. Statesman. B. Englishman. C. Hindu Patriot. D. Times of India. And the correct answer is Hindu Patriot. Explanation. Hindu Patriot magazine was an English weekly published from Kolkata. The founding editor of this magazine was Girish Chandra Ghosh. Gandhi was arrested during Salt Satyagraha in 1930. Who had taken the place of Gandhi after he was arrested? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. V. Patel. C. J. L. Nehru. D. Abbas Tayyabji. And the correct answer is Abbas Tayyabji. Explanation. Abbas Tayyabji, who also served as Chief Justice of Baroda. He was respectfully called Grand Old Man of Gujarat. This time Gandhi was kept in Yerwada jail. The immediate cause for the launching of the non-cooperation movement was A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. B. Dissatisfaction with the Government of India Act 1919. C. Khilafat wrong. D. Rowlatt Act. And the correct answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In which year the Pakistan Resolution was adopted by the Muslim League and where? A. 1940, Lahore. B. 1940, Dhaka. C. 1929, Lahore. D. 1930, Allahabad. And the correct answer is 1940, Lahore. When did the Dandi March take place? A. The 12th of March 1930. B. The 14th of May 1935. C. The 12th of April 1925. D. The 7th of August 1942. And the correct answer is the 12th of March 1930. Who was called the mother of Indian Revolution? A. Bhikhaji Rustomji Kama. B. Matanjini Hazra. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Basanti Devi. And the correct answer is Bhikhaji Rustomji Kama. Manifold human tragedies of partition have been portrayed in A. Balraj Sahni's Garam Hawa. B. Mehboob Khan's Mother India. C. J.P. Dutter's Border. D. Vijay Anand's Guide. And the correct answer is Balraj Sahni's Garam Hawa. The main cause of Sannyasi rebellion was A. Cow slaughter. B. Official interference in religious matters. C. The dispossession of zamindars and peasants. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is official interference in religious matters. Explanation. Sannyasi rebellion was started in Bengal in 1770-1820 against the East India Company. Giri Sannyasi and Madari Fakir was involved in this movement. The leader of the Fakir group Majnun Shah leads the protest in the Bengal. In the context of the Sannyasi rebellion, a novel Ananda Math was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882. The national anthem Vande Mataram was taken from this novel. The song was originally written in 1876 and later it was included in this book. Who among the following founded a national paper, a national school, and a national gymnasium in the second half of the 19th century? A. Nabagopal Mitra. B. Satyendranath Tagore. C. Jatindranath Tagore. D. Rajnarayan Bose. And the correct answer is Nabagopal Mitra.